Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to redeem a code in Monopoly Go. First, close the Monopoly Go app if it is open on your device. You do not redeem the code inside the app. Instead, open your mobile browser. You can use Chrome or any browser you like. Go to google.com and type Monopoly Go redeem code into the search bar. Tap on the top official result from Scopely, which is the company behind Monopoly Go. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner. If you are not signed in, tap the menu and log in using the same account you use in the Monopoly Go app. This is important because the rewards will be added directly to your game profile. After logging in, scroll down until you see the reward code section. There will be a box where you can type or paste your code. Carefully enter your code without any spaces. Then press the button below to confirm and redeem. If the code is valid, the rewards will be sent instantly to your Monopoly Go account. That is the full process for redeeming a code in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching.